from ancient halls serenade a world where silence seldom fades. Strings of destiny loudly played, stars align, our paths are laid. Rise the sun on cliffs so high, where dragons dream and fairies fly. Notes of fate in winds we spy, mountains weep along goodbye. Feel the pulse of life ignite, hearts aflame in endless night. Guitar screams with brilliant might, dreams and fate colliding tight. Harmony where shadows roam, violins in twilight's dome. Brass erupts from depths unknown, flesh and stone we make our home. Gentle whisper, soft and slow, mystery in the moon's soft glow. Melodies that ebb and flow, a symphony of worlds below. From the quiet depths